y'all, so welcome back to the Country Life. In today's video we are going to be fishing again. So yeah.
New reel, not used to it.
Yeah, Sean killed his reel yesterday, so he had to put a new reel in, so yeah. Hopefully we'll get a fish. Sean sees one right now, so yeah. Told you could have worn shorts.
Yeah, I know. I can get my boots.
Hey, Sean.
You got one? I just got one. What is it? Molly?
Spicy little smallmouth.
Ankle biter. What are you, Kitech?
Yeah.
The good old Kitech.
Yeah. Nice. That was my first cast, I think.
Where'd you get him?
It's so cute.
This is what most of them are down here.
I know.
Every once in a while you'll catch a nice 14 bag. I'm actually going to take a cast again. Oh my goodness.
First fish of the day. I don't know if you guys can see him.
I like yours.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like the reel.
Nice little fish.
I like to feel the click in the reel. Oh my God. Ooh, that sucks.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to the video. Today is the second day of fishing. Sean and I didn't really catch anything yesterday. We caught one fish. So today's day 2. We got Daisy in the background howling over there at a rock. So I guess we're just gonna do another time lapse. It's starting to rain, so I don't really know how much footage I'm gonna be able to get.
I don't know.
It doesn't look too bad, but it's still raining a bit. We'll see. So yeah. See you in the next clip. Look at him. Look how big he is. That is another water snake, it looks like. He's trying to get up on shore. It's raining, so apparently he's... Yeah, I'm not getting... This is all I'm getting up to. Just he keeps on slithering, so I'm just kind of walking so that way the camera can see him, you know.
Wow, that is a big water.
Yeah, he is very big. That's his head, that's his tail. So... Okay, Sean? Alright, y'all, so Sean's got a fish on. What is it, bro?
It's a sunfish.
It's a sunfish? We keeping it?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it.
Okay. So, that's a sunfish. We're going to keep him because they're in season. So, yeah.
They make for pretty good meals.
Yeah, they do actually make for pretty good meals. We'll bring them into shore and we'll show the camera. Alrighty, so I just zoomed the camera out a bit more. So that way y'all could see the sunfish. There's a tripod over here.
I just caught this guy.
That's camera, see? We're going to keep them, he's in season, so.
Dinner. Always in season. They never come out of season.
I know, they're panfish. See him.
Just trying to get my hook out.
There he is.
I'm pretty sure that's the guy that was jumping.
Ooh.
Pretty nice fish.
Yeah. Alrighty, well. Alright guys, so Sean just got a fish. Second fish of the day for him. I haven't caught anything. I have not tried. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm trying to adjust the tripod. There we go. There you go, you can see it better. What is it? Smallmouth? Sean?
Yeah.
It's a really nice smallmouth. Looks to be. I can't say. I'm all the way out shore. Sean's in the river. So. That's the same fish of the day for Sean. Two fish.
I think there's people who are looking for a spot.
Hey y'all, so thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you'd like. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, there wasn't a whole bunch of action.
It's kind of slow this time of
It
year.
was kind of slow. It's regular fishing, you know, so.
Although catfishing, we might be able to find the light and take you guys catfishing.
Yeah, we went night fishing the other night, and
But we couldn't film it.
It was fun.
We don't have a light or anything.
Yeah, we couldn't film it because we don't have a light or anything.
I don't know. We might be able to find something to hook up the camera and give it some light.
Yeah, hopefully.
But
Something along those
you
lines.
guys might see us.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, we can always just, use the phone
Yeah. Phone light. Yeah, so
for you guys.
thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you'd like. So, yeah, see you in the